Hello, welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how you can hide things from the mobile view on Squarespace while still having it on the desktop view. Let's get into it. So here we are at Squarespace. In this instance, what I want to do is I want to hide both this image and this text from the mobile view on Squarespace. So let's hop into the mobile view. As you can see here, I just want to hide these and I don't want to have them there on the mobile view. To make this happen, we need to add some custom code. The code is of course in the description. So just get it there, click on website tools within pages, come into the custom CSS. And as I said in the description, copy that code, which is in there. What we need to do now is we need to populate this with a unique ID for these two blocks. In order to find this, what I really do recommend you to do is to go into Chrome extension and download this app, which is called the Squarespace ID Finder. The link will be down in the description. And as you can see here right now, you can see that the block ID for both this image and also this text has come up. So let's just copy this and paste it in here. And as you can see already, the image did get removed from a mobile view, but it's still active on the desktop view. So if you want to also remove this, instead of like copy pasting the code again, just do a comma and you will see that that is gone as well. That was a quick tutorial on how you can remove images and texts from the mobile view while still having it active on desktop view. This might be good for those final tweaks to your design, making it the best as it can be. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do hope you find it useful. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, I wish you a great day.